In the fast-paced world of advertising, staying ahead of the curve is essential for success. One of the most effective ways to do this is by looking back at previous marketing techniques and learning from them. By examining past campaigns that have been particularly successful, we can gain valuable insights into what works and what doesn't in the ever-evolving landscape of advertising. One prominent example of a successful marketing campaign that utilized present perfect in advertising is Nike's iconic "Args Just Do" its slogan. Since its inception in 1988, this simple yet powerful phrase has become synonymous with the brand and has been used in countless ads to inspire consumers to take action. By using the present perfect tense, Nike effectively communicates a sense of urgency and empowerment, encouraging people to act now rather than later. Another notable example of present perfect in advertising is Apple's renowned One Think Difference campaign. Launched in 1997, this campaign featured iconic figures such as Albert Einstein, Mahatma Gandhi, and John Lennon, encouraging consumers to embrace their individuality and creativity. The use of the present perfect tense in the slogan emphasizes the idea that thinking differently is an ongoing process, not just a one-time event. Similarly, Coca-Cola's Ours Open Happiness campaign, which debuted in 2009, uses the present perfect tense to convey a sense of perpetual joy and positivity. By associating the brand with the concept of happiness, Coca-Cola creates an emotional connection with consumers that transcends the product itself. Overall, the use of present perfect in advertising has proven to be a powerful tool for engaging consumers and creating memorable campaigns. By looking back at successful marketing strategies that have utilized this tense effectively, advertisers can gain valuable insights into how to craft compelling messages that resonate with their target audience.